Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Toyota Tacoma V6. This four-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 291,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and power windows. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto.